Hey guys, this is Dia and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you one toddler meal idea. It's actually in between meal times idea. You know, when your kids are not hungry, they are peckish and they usually are looking for some snack in your pantry, and usually we end up giving them some kind of packet food, store-bought, and I really want to avoid that. I never keep any packet food. We never bring or buy packet food for our kids. We've stopped eating it ourselves. So I thought this would be a great idea to make and store for our kids at home. It does involve deep fry, but I would rather say it's better to deep fry at home than buy packet food or deep fried stuff from outside, because they use same oil over and over again. They use palm oil, and when it's discolored, it reaches its danger levels and it's very unhealthy for our kids. So having said that, I am not in favor of deep frying, but I thought this one is a really good recipe. You should really try it, watch it, and see if you like it. And by the way, this is my mom-in-law's recipe. They used to make it years ago for their kids. So when I went to India this year, she made it for my kids and I have filmed it. So it's an authentic Indian recipe, Gujarati recipe. It's called bajri ka vada, and I'll share all the details and the steps now. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video if you want to see more of such videos. And if you want to see other toddler meal ideas, I'll link them in the description box below and also in the cards above. So let's get started with the recipe.
So here we have taken 1 cup of bajri flour, a quarter cup of besan or chickpea flour and a quarter cup of wheat flour. If your baby suffers from constipation, then reduce bajri quantity as it tends to cause constipation in toddlers, as quoted by my mother-in-law. To this we have added sesame seeds, ajwain, salt, all dry masalas like red chili powder, turmeric powder, cumin and coriander powder, just all the basic masalas. Once all the masalas are added, time to add hing or asafoetida, 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can add raw sugar if you have it available. Also add half cup of yogurt. This will make varas soft. After this, add little oil, and now it's time to make the dough. Knead soft dough. Not very soft, but on the softer side. Once the dough is made, it's time to make small discs. They should not be too big in size or too thick. And once all discs are made, it's time to deep fry them. My daughter also tried her hands on to make varas while we were doing it, and I was so amazed to see that how her hands were moving to make the varas. I was truly delighted, and sometimes I feel like we should involve our toddlers in some ghar ka kaam, so that one, we get to know ourselves that how capable they are, and second, they definitely are learning new skills.
हाँ चल 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 बीजू ले पहला राउंड एंड राउंड कर क्यूटी पड़ी है हाँ પછી પછી કરી લઈશ હવે એકવાર દબાઈ દે એકવાર દબાઈ હા બસ ચાલો હવે બનાવો કેવા નાના નાના હાથ બનાવે છે આના બતાય હા હજી સેજ કર થોડુંક પાતળું કર પણ આના આંગળીઓ ભયંકર ચાલે છે મમ્મી જોતો આંગળીઓ ભયંકર ચાલે છે ને હા બસ બસ મૂકી દે બેટા કર્યું હા કર્યું મેક્સો થોડુંક તો નાખ્યું પણ તોય કર્યું ઉંમર પ્રમાણે સારું કર્યું
Now, while deep frying, you can fry them as per your taste. I mean, you can fry them soft or fry them a little longer and make them crisp. In my experience, not too crispy is good, as when we made them very crispy, it was very difficult for Kushang, my 22 months old son, to eat it, and he was constantly searching for softer pieces. So just bear that in mind. And as I said before, you can store them for around 2 weeks and can serve it to your kids in the afternoon when they are not too hungry but peckish. This is a great option for such times. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like this video if you want to see more of such kids recipe videos, as your likes will help me understand what my viewers preference is and I can make more of such videos. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now.